Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my Dalgona Cafe and the toppings is the carousel sugar. This is the toppings for the macaroni or the macarons or the cupcakes. Look at this. So this is I am using for the toppings of my Dalgona Cafe. Look at this. It looks beautiful and presentable. So just watch my other video on how I prepare my Dalgona Cafe. So this is now the finished product, ready to serve and ready to drink. Look at this. This is the wine glass filled with cubes of ice, fresh milk, and the Dalgona mixture with coffee and sugar. Beated it well, and I fill it here in this wine glass, and this is my presentation. This is a table centerpiece. So now look at this. This is now a very presentable, very beautiful Dalgona coffee. You can use a drinking straw or you can use a spoon to drink this Dalgona Cafe. So thank you guys for watching, and this is made by S.G.M. So look at this. So the toppings is made from these cupcakes toppings from Dr. Oetker Zucker Traussel. Look at this. Okay, this is the toppings for the cupcakes I'm using for my toppings for this Dalgona Cafe to look more beautiful and presentable. So guys, if you like this Dalgona Cafe, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel S.G.M Creations Tutorials. So this is it. So this is now my Dalgona Cafe. Very tasty Dalgona Cafe made by S.G.M. Look at this. It's the different colors of the toppings is floating on the top of the Dalgona Cafe, and this is the fresh milk with the ice cubes, and now it is already well presented. So this is how to serve a Dalgona Cafe for the special occasion, especially if you have guests at home. So you can serve it like this, and it is more presentable, and this preparation is very easy and very cheap. Dankeschön, vielen Dank, and thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. This is my Dalgona Cafe. This beads is made from the Beadworks tutorials, and here is the Dalgona Cafe. I will show you how I sprinkle this. It looks like this guys, look. Just sprinkle it like this. Look. To look more beautiful and presentable. It is made with this cupcake sprinkles toppings.